Okay, here's my CoinOps machine. It's just a HP small form factor desktop, front and back. It's a model HP Pro 4300, like so. So all I do to get it going is plug a mouse and keyboard and monitor into it. I'm just using the monitor cable on this particular guy. Put some power in there. Now, turn it on. I'd like to thank the guys, the CoinOps guys, for developing this front end, and it works really well. So when it boots up, all I need to do is plug in an Xbox 360 controller I'm using here, but any controller that works on a PC will work. You can plug it straight into an arcade machine and it'll work in your arcade machine if you're using the standard arcade controls. So it's just a clean, fresh, licensed build of Windows 10. There's the CoinOps shortcut there. I'll double click on it. Actually, I might plug my controller in first. Now this doesn't have an SSD drive, it's just got a normal drive in it, a Western Digital Blue, this one I think it is. So yeah, it's not a fast loader, but still, 10 seconds, if that, it's loaded up. So now I just select my games with the left and right. So there's all the arcade games, which are the old school MAME or arcade games, all the ones we used to love playing at the arcade. If I press my shoulder buttons, it scrolls down the screen in alphabetical order, like that. So we can see all the games. We need Street Fighter, I guess Exciting Hour. What else we got? Mortal Kombat. Just essentially all of them. I'm just going to run through the wheel. You can look at all these games anyway at the CoinOps website because it's a CoinOps machine. I'm just showing you my version of it. Killer Instinct. There's a classic game. It's got arcade classics, which is, as the name says, they're fairly classic games. Sega Mega Drive, lots and lots of games there. Super Nintendo, some old computer games like Commodore 64 style games in there. Dreamcast, Game Boy, original Game Boy, they're heaps of fun. Game Boy Color. Nintendo Game Watch games, they were heaps of fun. Nintendo 64, including James Bond, the Nintendo Entertainment System, PlayStation 2, PSP, the Wii games there, Doom, and Ultra Street Fighter 4. There's Doom, Ultra Street Fighter 4's there. And yeah, just to show you that everything works. I go into PlayStation and so I think I selected, what game did I select? Burnout 3, and there you go, it's simple as that. To exit out of a game that you've loaded, once it's all loaded up, all you do, and I'm just going to wait for it to boot. Go, booting up. There it is, Burnout 3, great game. I just press select and start button to get back to the main screen. And then, select another machine. The most common one, I guess, for everyone's going to be the arcade machine. And I'm just going to go to arcade, select, I don't know, maybe Killer Instinct, for lack of a better game. It'll boot up, and to insert coin will be this button here. Oh, this is a port of a Super Nintendo game. Here she goes, booting up. Still loading. There she goes. Yep, so it is very arcadey. So there we go. So insert coin, and to start, it's just the start button. And that's it, I suppose. And to get exit out of the game, just press the back and start buttons. And that's it. All right. Thanks, guys.